Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we have such a special unboxing because we have the LoveShackFancy Hunter collaboration boots. Now in this video we will be unboxing and trying on the tall sunrise patchwork boots, so that is the white colorway. But at the end of this video when we do a try-on, I'm actually going to show you all three colorways, so stay tuned. Now, as we're getting into this box, you will have just seen that it comes with a lovely dust bag. Now, I don't know if you're actually going to store your boots in that bag, but it is definitely a keepsake. It is the cutest pink branded, double branded bag with Hunter and LoveShackFancy, and then you have a lovely floral drawstring right at the top. Now you're going to see that drawstring with the short boots, but not on these taller boots, but we'll get into that in a little bit. Now, taking a look at these boots for the first time, I don't personally have a lot of experience with Hunter boots myself, but I have heard that they are really well made and they're leak proof, which is always really important with rain boots. So I have really high hopes for these. Now, I will say upon opening them, I did get a very strong kind of rubbery or chemical smell. So just keep that in mind, that I think you do have to air these out a little bit. I'm hoping that that smell will kind of dissipate as they are used, but just keep it in mind. And then unfortunately mine had like a little bit of dirt on the bottom. Now they are rubber and I don't know, nothing is perfect. So just keep it with a grain of salt that you might have some minor blemishes, and you know, they're boots, they're shoes, they're going to get worn anyway. They're going to spend their life on the ground. Now let's talk about the design. So this is the white floral colorway. It's called Sunrise Patchwork, and it looks exactly like it did in the photos, which I am really happy about. I know a lot of retailers edit their photos strongly, so it's kind of hard to get a good read on what the colors actually are, but I think these came through really well. Now, the logo on the top front, if you're not familiar with Hunter, is raised, so a really cool detail. I think I actually prefer that it is raised because it feels like there's a little bit more design that goes into it. And especially because these boots are not cheap, they were $215. I do kind of expect those bells and whistles. Now, I also really like the piping on the top. It's kind of like the crown molding of the shoe. So there are a lot of details going on here, and overall it just paints a really nice, pleasant experience. Now let's go ahead and try these on. Now, as I mentioned, we are trying on both colorways in all of the styles that we picked up. So we have them in both colors in the short style and then the tall in the white colorway. I was planning on choosing which was my favorite and then just keeping those and, you know, returning the rest. I know these were a viral product, so hopefully you can snag them. I do feel like they fit true to size. I am typically a 7.5 or an 8, and right where my finger is where the end of my toe is. Now they are comfortable. They're not snug. My toe is not hitting the front of it, and I don't think I would have sized down to a size 7. So just keep that in mind. If you are in between sizes, I would definitely recommend sizing up. Now, I think these are the cutest boots. Like, I can't explain enough. I think they're girly. I think they're fun. I think they are light. They're not chunky and clunky. Now, I do have some notes on the tall boots, but right now I'm just talking about the small boots. So let's go ahead and try on the pink ones too. Now, I will share that my first impression was that I was going to like the tall white boots the best, then the small white boots, and then the small pink boots. So I have actually been very pleasantly surprised, and I think I like both of the short ones the best. Now, let me know what you think, of course. I am kind of at a loss, and I'm kind of leaning towards keeping all three, but I know that's really impractical and wasteful, so I'm not going to. Now, let me just fill you in on why I didn't think I was going to like the pink ones the best. I thought that the colorway or the design was going to be a little bit too uniform for me, but actually looking at them, you can kind of see that the flowers kind of like warp along the side, and I really do like that design effect. I think it adds dimension and interest. Now, of course, I love the white ones because they are crisp and clean, but you know, are they going to stay crisp and clean? Because they are rain boots. So help me out here. What do you think? All right, we are getting into the first wear test of the tall boots. Now, my current rain boots are from Burberry. They are black, they are sleek, and they are lovely. However, They are very stiff, and when I walk, they hit my shins. That is my pet peeve with rain boots. I don't think that they need to be uncomfy. So we're really looking for comfort and tall protection here. So when I walk here, you can kind of see that it is hitting my shins. However, I will say because the material is a little bit more rubbery and soft, it's not painful. I do think I'm going to test these out a little bit more, and I'm a little skeptical and leaning towards the short ones, but I just wanted to fill you in on my impressions. That is all I have for you for this unboxing. Please let me know your perspectives in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.